Hearty welcome to the participants of Agra region to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources designed by Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Let us have a quick look at the course content: managing files and folders, introduction to MS Word, preparing PowerPoint presentation with narrations and converting the same to video, slicing videos, uploading video on YouTube, preparing online quiz, preparing interactive worksheets using free open software, preparing audio files using free open software, storing and sharing the resources prepared, and documenting all content online through Blogger. The contents of the course is shared through a dedicated URL for training to Kendra Vidyalaya teachers in Yaksh platform. The URL is created by FOSSEE, Free Libre and Open Source Software for Education project team of Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay. We sincerely thank the FOSSEE team of IIT Bombay for creating an URL for us and allowing us to use their Yaksh platform for training. The self-learning content of the course are presented in the form of videos. The whole course will be on self-learning mode. You have to log in to the website kvszetrg.fosse.in to register and view the contents. In this video, you will learn how to register and how to view the contents. Let us start. You have to open the website kvszetrg.fosse.in. Please note down, you should go to this website only. You may get confused with one more website called yaksh.fosse.in. I repeat, please open kvszetrg.fosse.in, a URL created exclusively for KVS. I hope that you have noted down the website. It will take you to the login page. As you are a new user, you click new user, sign up. Now a registration page will open. You have to choose a username. Better choose a very easy one and enter your valid email ID, which is functional now. After the registration is over, you will get a link for activation into your email ID only. Choose a very simple password, not a complicated one, and confirm the password. Give your first name, give your last name. Next, you have to enter a roll number. You enter the serial number as per the list of participants we received from Agra region. I am showing you the list. This list will be shared with you, and please note down your roll number. Your roll number will be either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Please identify your name and note down your roll number. This will be your roll number from 1 to 54. This roll number you will be using while you are submitting your quiz and assignments throughout the course also. Kindly note down your roll number. This serial number will be your roll number. Please enter that over here. Then in institute, you enter your Kendra Vidyalaya name. In the department, you enter KVS, and in position, please enter your designation. I repeat, in the roll number, please enter the serial number in the list of participants received from Agra region. The same Excel sheet will be shared with you in your email. In the institute, please write the name of your Kendra Vidyalaya. In the department, please write KVS, and in position, please enter your designation with your subject. That's all. Finish. You have to simply click register. When you do it, one email will immediately go to the email ID you have given at this registration page. It will read like this: Webmaster Yaksh email verification. Click it, open it. To activate your account and verify your email address, please click the following link. When you click it, your account will get activated. Remember, this should be done within 30 minutes. Then your account will be activated. Your name will come in the right corner. Click home. Now you can log into your account with the credentials. That is your username and password. Please remember the website. It is kvsztrg.fosse.in only. Then click login. You have to remember your username and password. It can be saved in your computer also. When you go to login, it will take you to a page where the courses are listed. Caution, please do not enroll for this X demo course. Please do not enroll for this X demo course. You have to search for the course designed for Agra region. Therefore, in the enter course code to search, type Agra in capital AGRA, Agra, all capital. The course code is case sensitive. Therefore, type AGRA and click search. It will take you to the next page where you have to enroll for online course on designing e-resources, Agra region. Click enroll to enroll. I repeat once again. First, you have to register with all the information in the X platform, that is kvsze.fosse.in. Then in the search box, type Agra, then enroll now. Then you will get one message, enrolled in online course on designing e-resources, Agra region by Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Here also you are seeing two courses. As usual, X demo course, ignore. Then you start to go inside online course, Agra region. It will take you once again to a page which is the start page for the online course on designing e-resources, Agra region. There is a discussion forum where you can ask questions. Now you have to click start to enter the course. In this course, the lessons are given in order in the left side. The lessons are arranged in order. Now this is the introduction page. You can click this icon to make it full page and read the introduction. After you have read it, click start to enter lesson number 1. Lesson number 1 is managing files and folders. You have to read it. Once again, you can click this icon to make it full page and read it comfortably. After you read it, there is a video at the bottom which you have to watch. Every lesson will have some introduction followed by a video. You have to watch the video carefully because quiz and assignments will be based on these videos only. After you have watched it, click next to go to lesson number 2. That is preparing reading material, converting the file to PDF. Now, one word of caution. Some of you may be interested to jump. Without seeing the first 2 lessons, you may be interested to see the sharing videos online lesson directly. Remember, this X platform will not allow you. It will tell you, you have not completed previous lesson quiz, therefore go back. Therefore, you have to click start and you have to come back to this lesson number 2. Remember that the meaning is very clear. If you want to see lesson number 2, you should have seen lesson number 1. If you want to watch lesson number 5, you should have seen lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Please see the lessons, see the videos in order. And one more humble request, don't try to watch all the videos at a stretch. It is of no help to you. Don't try to watch all the videos at a stretch because your quiz and assignments will be based only on the videos in order. For example, quiz and assignment number 1 will be based on the lessons 1, 2, 3, 4. Quiz and assignment number 2 will be based on lesson 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore, every day you have to watch minimum 4 videos or 5 videos to answer the quiz and assignment. Therefore, keep cool, relax, watch only maximum 4 to or 5 videos per day and try to answer the quiz and assignments in a very nice manner. And mentors are there to help you out if you have any doubt in submitting your quiz and assignments. Happy learning. Thank you, friends.